This could be a strong video, but it's the truth. These are the reason why your ad campaign sucks. We've had campaigns in the past that sucked. We can all improve. Here are the reasons that your ad campaign sucks. Number 1. Your offer sucks, and therefore what you put on the ad does not matter. Hence, there is no conversion. Number 2. Your product sucks. People don't find value in your product. It does not improve people's life. Number 3. Now comes the meta ad. Your creative sucks. You don't have a creative strategy. You are not testing enough. Number 4. Your copy sucks. Your copies are not compelling enough. They are not evoking emotions. You are not testing enough copies. Number 5. Your targeting sucks. You are targeting the wrong audiences. You are not testing enough audiences. Number 6. Your website or landing page sucks and it's not high converting. There are no upsell. Images and descriptions in the websites are not compelling. The good news is each element can be improved and you can get to a point where things are good. Either learn to do this or get in touch with a professional. Write in the comment, did you find this video useful? Follow me to learn more on meta ads.